PEAKDEFI guide. Hello guys, in this video I want to show you a short PEAKDEFI introduction, how you can use this platform as an investor in 3 ways. So first of all, PEAKDEFI is a decentralized asset management fund created to grow your wealth. So it means that it is one DeFi fund that is to be ruled by all. So that's the USP of the fund, because there are many other DeFi funds out there, but here you have the USP that it's one global DeFi fund that is managed by many different traders. And you have here and therefore you have here an autonomous optimization to achieve the best results. It's open and transparent to everybody by the smart contract, and it's community-based governance system. And the good thing is also that it's audited by QuantStamp, the #1 company for smart contract security audits. And if you click on it, you also see here the certificate of QuantStamp from the 18th of November 2020, and the PEAKDEFI protocol launched on the 9th of December 2020. So it's very at the beginning, and there are already over $500,000 invested, and over 8.2 million PEAK token got staked. So that's a great result after that short amount of time. And so now I want to show you 3 ways how you can use this platform as a user. Okay, so if you click on invest, then you are directed directly here to the investors dashboard, and normally you will be asked to connect your wallet. And here you have many options to connect your wallet. Normally you can connect through Wallet Connect if you use the PEAKDEFI app or Trust Wallet or another app, or you can use your MetaMask and connect it via your Chrome extension through MetaMask. I'm already connected now with MetaMask, and you see here above the address which is connected. And you see here's a green dot, so I am connected right now. So now I have 3 options to use PEAKDEFI as an investor. First of all, here you see this is the global fund. If I click on it, I see first here the performance of the global fund. Right now the share price is 1.1189, so it starts with 1.0. So the profit in this trading cycle is right now around more than 11%. Also, I see here all the stats about the fund and so on. So also you see here the success fee is 35%, which goes 15% to the fund managers and 20% to the affiliates. And the rest of it, so 65 of the profits, goes back to the investors. Here you also see when the time ends for this trading cycle. And so everything you can see here about the fund. And if you want to invest in the fund, you can now click just simple here on buy, and then you can choose between these assets to invest. For example, I want now invest with Ethereum. I choose now 1 Ethereum to invest, and click on buy fund shares. And then the MetaMask transaction pops up. You see here which gas fee you need to pay. Sometimes, of course, the gas fee is much higher because of the Ethereum network, and I suggest you therefore to invest with USDC, because with USDC the smart contract has to handle less steps, and then you pay much less if you pay with USDC directly. Because if you pay with Ethereum like I do it now, then it needs to exchange to USDC, because the fund is based on USDC. So then I confirm the transaction, and then I need to wait until the transaction is done. But anyway, you can see everything on Etherscan. So you see the transaction is done right now, and you can then refresh the site, and yeah, and now you see 1,153 USDC are invested. And if I click now on transaction, you see also here in the transaction history the investment, and also you can click on the transaction and you see the whole transaction fully transparent in the on Etherscan. Okay, so this was the way how you can invest in the fund. So that's it. And after the trading cycle ends, you are able to withdraw your invest again, or it can stay and you can go through the next trading cycles. That's up to you. Okay, so that's the first thing. The second thing is staking. You can stake Peak token here. Peak token staking is required for getting more commissions, for being a fund manager, or of course for getting rewards by staking the Peak token, of course, and stabilize the price. So, and later we will also implement a governance system, so where also Peak staking will affect it. Yeah, and so it's easy. You just click on staking Peak, and now you can decide how much Peak token you want to stake. And here we have 3 types of bonuses, or or 4 if you got referred. So first, you have a bigger bonus. So the bigger you stake, the more percentage you get. The longer you stake, and that's the strongest bonus. The longer you stake, then more percentage you get. For example, the minimum days are 10 days and the maximum are 1,000 days. And you see, if you stake 1,000 days, then you get through all the 1,000 days right now 200% bonus for that already. Yeah. Then you have a referral bonus, that's 3%, and this is only if you got referred by another person. So if you don't come through a referral link, then you will not receive the 3%. So it is always better to be referred by another person. Okay. And then we have the early bonus. That means then earlier you join, then more rewards you get, because for the Peak staking, there are 1 billion Peak tokens reserved, and 700 millions are for the normal staking that we have right now. And the less the less this 700 million Peak tokens become or are free, then less early bonus you get. Right now you see already from 100%, it's already 95.8%. So it's like a factor that decreased the amount. Yeah. So yeah. And now if I decide, for example, to stake 10,000 Peak token, okay, then I would get for per APY rewards, so per year I would get 70.1909% per year. Okay, and this, and here you see the exactly amount that that I will get over the 1,000 days. So this 19,700 Peak token I will get over the 1,000 days. And then I click on stake, and then MetaMask pops up again. I need first to confirm the transaction. Okay, so first I need to confirm the transaction, and then the second pops up, and now the second window pops up, and now you need to confirm the staking. Okay, and now I confirm it, and now both things started, and now I need to wait until it's done. Yeah, and after the staking transaction is done, then you see after refreshing the website these dashboards. So you see here the stake and interest balance. So you see here 29,893 Peak token, and this Peak token are the Peak token that I staked, so the 10,000, and the Peak token that I will get over the 1000 days. Yeah, and here you see the APY which I will get per year, and also how much time left for for the staking. And also you see here the claimable reward. So you see every second how your peak token are growing, how your rewards are growing. Yeah, and here you see again the total rewards, and in summary the total peak that you will have at the end. And the great thing is that you can anytime claim your rewards. So you can claim them after a minute, after 10 minutes, after an hour, after 1 day, after a week. So you decide when you want to claim your rewards. You just click on the button and then you can claim your rewards. So that's an amazing thing, and it's like the whole decentralized contract. So everything is decentralized. You need always to own to do each step on your own. So you need to invest, you need to stake, you need to claim commissions and everything. And also you can see here the transaction details of the staking. Yeah, and also I received the 3% commission. That's these commission which I received. Okay, so and again you can anytime claim your rewards whenever you want. So that's the staking part. So that was the second way what you can do and how you can get earn rewards. And also to show you the peak token, you can always exchange them to another assets, because our peak token is already listed on Probit, on Uniswap and 1inch. So these are the two biggest decentralized exchanges. Also on the second centralized, it's Bbox, and another decentralized balancer. And there are another centralized exchanges like P2P, B2B and Coinsbit. So on these exchanges, you can exchange your peak token to another asset what you want. So, okay. And now I will come to the third way. It's the way how you can earn rewards on the PEAKDEFI platform, which is also unique for a decentralized smart contract, and that I want to explain you right now. So first of all, you see here your referral link that you can send to other people which you want to recommend the PEAKDEFI platform. You can copy it here and send to other people. Also, you see here an overview how much peak token you staked, and here you see the staker's commission. So all the peak commission that you received, and the investor's commission. This is the commission that you received of the investors into the fund. So peak staking commission you receive in peak tokens, and the investments in the fund commission you receive in USDC, because it's based in USDC, of course. And then you have here an 8-level affiliate system that goes 8 levels, and you see here are the commissions that you will get for each level, and in summary that's 20%. So first level 10% and the last is 0.5%. And also you will have here the overview how much referrals, how much people you are referred in which level. Also, you see here an overview of all commission in each level, and also the commissions in peak in each level. Okay, and also you need to activate your levels. So that's one of the utilities of the peak token. So you need to stake peak token to activate the levels. So for activating all 8 levels, you need to stake 10,000 peak token. If you stake nothing, then you will receive only the first line commission, so the first level commission. If you want to know more about it, you can just click here on the left side on help. Then you can see the whole documentation about the PEAKDEFI platform, about the PEAKDEFI fund. And here on the left side, you can check referral rewards. And here you see an overview how you can activate your levels, how many peak token you need to stake. And also you see here how the super affiliate bonus is working. And the super affiliate bonus, you can see will be tracked here. So you see here the gray line right now. So the more commissions you get in Peak and USDC, the more DSV points you get. DSV means direct sales volume, and and one USDC is equal to one DSV, and therefore the more DSV you have, the more you can go up in the rank and get also additional bonuses. Okay, so that was the tutorial about the PEAKDEFI fund. I hope you liked it, and if you have more questions, then I recommend you to check the documentation about the PEAKDEFI in our Gitbook, or you can comment below the video, and then we can answer to your question. Thank you very much. Bye bye.